Alpinestars SP2 leather glove has been revamped for 2014. With fresh new style and enhanced safety and convenience features, the SP2 continues to be an excellent glove for both sport and naked bike enthusiasts. The SP2 primarily consists of supple yet very durable full-grain leather. This glove comes pre-curved in the fingers to reduce fatigue and incorporates multi-panel construction for better fit and abrasion resistance. The palm and finger sidewalls are goatskin leather with synthetic suede reinforcements across the palm and landing zones. Additionally, a new thermoplastic polyurethane slider backed by EVA padding provides great impact protection, a feature Alpinestars developed through racing in MotoGP. Over the top of the SP2, a new robust, lightweight carbon knuckle guards against extreme impacts and slides, while perforated EVA foam inserts are strategically placed throughout, providing comprehensive ventilation and additional shock absorption. The SP2 also features Alpinestars' patented finger bridge, which prevents the smaller fingers from rolling over in a crash and keeps the outmost seams well protected. Also of note is the touchscreen compatible fingertip as well as a large gusset opening on top of the thumb for maximum flex and freedom of movement. Lastly, an elastic wristband and wide Velcro closure provide easy entry and secure fastening in a matter of seconds. There you have it, Alpinestars' newly updated SP2 glove. It's engineered to keep your hands functional, but more importantly, safe.